before it passes on by, out of sight, out of sight. So follow me, I'll show you places you've never seen.